The invention of zero made the development of higher mathematics possible. Till the 16th century, the number system used in Europe was the Roman system, invented about 2000 years ago. It was not a simple one. But long before the advent of Christ, the Indians had invented a far better number system. It was brought to Europe about the year 900 by the Arab traders and is called Indo-Arabic system. In the Indo-Arabic system, all numbers were written with the 9 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. Each figure has a value according to the place in which it is written. We can write 205 by putting 2 in the hundredths place to show 200, 0 in the tenths place to show that there are no tenths, and 5 in the place of 1 to show that there are 5 units. This system is very easy and scientific.
The chloroplast is the key to photosynthesis. Large numbers of chloroplasts are present in the mesophyll, the middle tissue of the leaf. In low light, they are distributed evenly, but bright light causes them to move to a less exposed position. The internal structure of a chloroplast is highly organized. Within it, there are closely packed thylakoid membranes. At intervals, the thylakoids form tightly stacked regions called grana. A jelly-like matrix called the stroma surrounds the thylakoids and grana. The most noticeable characteristic of chloroplasts is their green color. It is due to the presence of 2 types of the pigment chlorophyll, which is concentrated in the grana.
The wave nature of electrons was experimentally established by C.J. Davison and L.H. Germer in New York, and by G.P. Thomson in Aberdeen. Young's double-slit demonstration is repeated with a beam of electrons instead of light. Obeying the laws of quantum mechanics, the stream of particles would split in 2, and the smaller streams would interfere with each other, leaving the same kind of light and dark striped pattern as was cast by light. Particles would act like waves.
The formation of dew is most pronounced on clear, still nights when radiant heat loss from exposed surfaces is high. As surrounding warmer, moist air passes over cool surfaces, the air is cooled and its water vapor may exceed the saturation level. If so, the excess water vapor condenses as droplets onto the surfaces. In typical barnacles, the cypris, the subadult form, already presents some of the features of the adult barnacle. Among these features are the cirri, the feathery retractile organs used by barnacles to sweep the water for particles of food.
What makes one person male and another female? The answer is in the chromosomes. Each cell in the human body has 23 pairs of chromosomes. 22 of these chromosome pairs are autosomes, pairs of chromosomes that look alike and carry genes for the same traits. Sex is determined by the 23rd pair of chromosomes, called the sex chromosomes. Females have 2 matching X chromosomes, whereas males have 1 X chromosome and 1 much smaller Y chromosome. When eggs or sperm are formed, the chromosomes are divided up. Each egg receives 1 X chromosome. Half of the sperm receive 1 X chromosome, and half receive 1 Y chromosome. The sex of the offspring is determined when an egg is fertilized. If the egg is fertilized by a sperm that is carrying an X chromosome, the offspring will have 2 X chromosomes and be female. If the egg is fertilized by a sperm that is carrying a Y chromosome, the offspring will have one Y and one X chromosome and be male.
As the Colorado River flows through the state of Utah, we see spectacular evidence of the river's ability to shape the landscape. Running water has cut through ancient layers of rock, producing scenic monuments to erosion. The river's action has also created new landforms. Sandbars have formed as sediment was deposited where the river meanders. Sandbars consist of many layers of sediment. The layers are not of uniform thickness, for each layer represents a specific interval of deposition.